Civil engineers are responsible for designing, constructing, and maintaining infrastructure projects such as buildings, bridges, roads, and water systems. They combine technical expertise with problem-solving skills to ensure that projects are safe, efficient, and sustainable. This role requires a deep understanding of materials, structural analysis, project management, and environmental considerations. Employers look for candidates who can demonstrate both technical proficiency and practical experience. Civil engineer interviews often evaluate knowledge of construction methods, project planning, regulatory compliance, and teamwork. This video explores common interview questions, suggested answers, and tips to help candidates prepare comprehensively and present themselves confidently. Understanding the role of a civil engineer. Civil engineers work on projects that impact daily life and urban development. They are involved in every stage of a project, from initial design and planning to construction and maintenance. Responsibilities include conducting site surveys, preparing blueprints, analyzing structural loads, estimating costs, coordinating with contractors, and ensuring compliance with safety and environmental regulations. Employers assess candidates based on technical knowledge, analytical skills, project management experience, and communication abilities. Highlighting hands-on experience, internships, fieldwork, or academic projects can demonstrate readiness for real-world engineering challenges. Question 1. Can you describe your experience in civil engineering? Here's how you can answer. I have a degree in civil engineering and have worked on projects involving residential buildings, road construction, and water supply systems. During my internships and academic projects, I was involved in structural analysis, preparing construction drawings, and overseeing on-site activities to ensure compliance with design specifications. Tip: emphasize both academic and practical experience. Employers value candidates who can demonstrate applied knowledge and problem-solving in real projects. Question 2. How do you approach designing a construction project? Here's how you can answer. I begin by analyzing the project requirements, site conditions, and environmental constraints. I then develop detailed plans and structural designs using CAD software, select appropriate materials, and perform calculations for loads and stresses. Collaboration with architects, contractors, and regulatory bodies ensures that the design is feasible and compliant with standards. Tip: highlight your structured approach, technical knowledge, and collaboration skills. Employers want engineers who balance technical accuracy with practical feasibility. Question 3. How do you ensure safety on construction sites? Here's how you can answer. I follow local safety regulations, conduct risk assessments, and ensure that workers use proper protective equipment. I also implement safety protocols for machinery operation, scaffolding, and electrical systems, and regularly monitor compliance throughout the project lifecycle. Tip: emphasize awareness of safety standards, proactive risk management, and attention to detail. Employers prioritize candidates who can maintain a safe working environment. Question 4. Can you describe a challenging project and how you resolved it? Here's how you can answer. I worked on a bridge construction project where unexpected soil instability threatened the foundation. I conducted a geotechnical analysis, suggested soil stabilization techniques, and revised the foundation design. The adjustments ensured structural integrity, and the project was completed successfully without delays. Tip: focus on problem-solving, technical skills, and persistence. Employers value engineers who can adapt and provide effective solutions under pressure. Question 5. How do you manage project deadlines and budgets? Here's how you can answer. I create detailed project schedules, track milestones, and coordinate tasks among team members. I also prepare cost estimates, monitor expenditures, and identify potential risks that could impact timelines or budgets. Regular reporting and communication with stakeholders help in keeping the project on track. Tip: highlight organizational skills, project management experience, and proactive planning. Employers want engineers who can balance time, cost, and quality. Question 6. How do you stay updated with developments in civil engineering? Here's how you can answer. I read industry journals, attend webinars and conferences, and follow updates from professional organizations such as ASCE. Keeping up with new materials, construction methods, and sustainable practices allows me to apply innovative solutions in my projects. Tip: emphasize continuous learning, curiosity, and awareness of industry trends. Employers value candidates who actively seek knowledge and innovation. Question 7. How do you handle teamwork on large construction projects? Here's how you can answer. I maintain clear communication with architects, engineers, contractors, and labor teams. I share updates, coordinate schedules, and address any conflicts or challenges collaboratively. Teamwork ensures that everyone is aligned with project goals and timelines. Tip: highlight collaboration, communication, and leadership skills. Employers look for engineers who can work effectively in multidisciplinary teams. Question 8. How do you ensure compliance with environmental regulations? Here's how you can answer. I evaluate the environmental impact during the design phase, select sustainable materials, and implement erosion control or waste management measures on site. Regular audits and reporting ensure compliance with local and national regulations. Tip: emphasize responsibility, environmental awareness, and regulatory knowledge. Employers value engineers who prioritize sustainable practices. Question 9. How do you troubleshoot issues during construction? Here's how you can answer. I identify the root cause of the problem, whether it involves structural issues, material defects, or project delays. I then collaborate with the team to implement corrective measures, document the process, and ensure the solution aligns with safety and design standards. Tip: highlight analytical thinking, practical experience, and collaboration. Employers appreciate engineers who can resolve problems efficiently and responsibly. Question 10. Why should we hire you as a civil engineer? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I bring strong technical knowledge, hands-on project experience, problem-solving abilities, and effective communication skills. I am dedicated to safety, quality, and sustainability, and I can contribute to completing projects on time while meeting design and regulatory requirements. Tip: summarize your strengths, technical expertise, project experience, teamwork, and reliability. Present your answer confidently and professionally. Final thoughts. Civil engineer interviews evaluate technical proficiency, project management skills, problem-solving abilities, teamwork, and awareness of safety and environmental standards. Candidates who demonstrate practical experience, innovative thinking, and effective collaboration stand out. By showcasing your ability to design and manage infrastructure projects, troubleshoot construction issues, ensure compliance, coordinate with teams, and stay updated with industry advancements, you demonstrate readiness for the role. Passion for sustainable engineering, continuous learning, and meticulous attention to detail are essential qualities for excelling as a civil engineer and contributing to successful and safe infrastructure development.